Why can't I stop thinking about someone? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment. I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I really want to help you to understand why. I know that you love your ex. I know that you want to be in a relationship with him or with her. And you ask yourself, why can't I stop thinking about him, about her? Basically, I will explain to you everything in this video, but remember, you need to smash the like button and you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Every single day we are here for you. We publish videos, we respond to comments, we try to connect and to give you support. So, how can you explain this? You are so in love with someone that you can't stop thinking about that person. Basically, what we want to do now is to change and to reverse the situation. We want to make sure that we will understand what happened inside us. It's not about your ex, it's about yourself. As human, it is very, very, very difficult to accept a breakup because it's the end of our projects. The reason why today you can't stop thinking about your ex, it's because it's the end of your goals and projects. Maybe you project yourself to get married, to buy a house, to build a company together, to travel the world. And because there is no more project, you can't stop thinking about that person. And some of the people that I coach, they can just talk only about the past. But remember Alex, in 2017, he said that, she did this. You are so focused on detail and the past that you can't move on. And so the reason why I'm doing this video is because I cannot let you suffer from this situation. It's not okay for me. So guys, please, it's time for you to rebuild your life. And I mean by that, it's time for you to set goals, to set dreams, to set some projects. If you know exactly what you want to build in your life, I can guarantee you that you will be able to overcome the sadness of the breakup. I'm not saying it will come in days, maybe it will take some couple of weeks, couple of months. But today, if you can't stop thinking about someone, it's because you don't have vision. You have a lack of vision and we need to work on it. It's just not possible to put your ex on a pedestal, tell yourself, oh my God, I lost everything, and still think about the past. This is not possible. The reason number two why you can't stop thinking about someone, meaning your ex, it's also because you feel guilty. Most of the people that will not get back with their ex, it's because they are still in their mind guilty for the past. But Alex, I didn't give her attention. But Alex, I didn't give him love. Guys, it's okay. We all do mistakes. I do mistakes, okay? What is very important is to not stay guilty, not stay focused on the past, because nothing will change. They will not forgive you, and you will not forgive yourself. And what will happen? You will continue to still being obsessed, still think about that person. No, it's okay to do mistake. What is not okay is to stay in your mistake. But today you are able to move on. Today you are able to rebuild yourself, work on your mind, work on your body, just change your job, set goals, dreams. As I said, just being involved in your life. If you understand that the two main reasons why you can't stop thinking about someone, it's only about the fact that you are guilty in your mind and the fact that you have a lack of vision, your life will change. And yes, this YouTube channel is here to help you get back with the one you love. But if you want to get back with someone you love, you need to be an opportunity. You need your ex to see that, wow, he or she has changed. Yes, I want to come back now. And not being needy, sad, depressed, and obsessed about your ex. Because unfortunately, this is not working. Guys, it's very important for you to come on our website withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles and you can book a private coaching session with Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, Coach Priyanka, or myself. We are here for you. We coach you, we provide you support because that's the best way for you to do the right actions. If you want to stop being obsessed or thinking about your ex, it's very important for you to work on stop being guilty and create also goals for your life. Okay? You need to have a vision. I will see you soon, but remember, you need to smash the like button and to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are here for you and we want to provide you the best. I will see you soon for a new video. Take care. Bye bye.